Hello friends watching. Hi there friends. In this special release, our goal is to determine the numerical value of this statement. 49 divided by 49 over 34, then times 34. First we do this multiplication. 49 over 34 times 34. We can easily cancel this 34 and this 34. So here we have this 49 only, and 49 divided by 49 equals 1. But this answer is not correct because according to the order of operation, multiplication and division have equal priority and we have to work from left to right. So we have to do this division first, then this multiplication. If you do this multiplication then this division, it's wrong. So we have to do this division first. 49 divided by 49 over 34. To do this division, write down the 49, then change division to multiplication and flip this fraction to 34 over 49. And here again we have times 34. Now we have this new problem. First we do this multiplication. We can easily cancel this 49 and this 49, which gives 34. And here again we have times 34. So here we have this 34 times 34, which equals 1156. And this is our final answer to this problem. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Catch you later.